with all my heart that he leaves this world not in the presence of officials who visit him on the pretext of a pseudo-welfare check, but instead in the company of the people he loves and who truly care for him. Since none of us here can even hope to match his patriotism, let us at least strive to be half as nation-loving as he was, as he still most certainly is. Kung gusto po natin magpakita ng malasakit sa ating dating Pangulong Duterte. Kung talagang gusto po natin masiguro na lagi siyang nasa mabuting kalagayan, ang nakikita ko pong isa sa mga solusyon ay masuportahan ng bulwagang ito ang kanyang interim release. Or more conservatively, let us at least take up proposed Senate Resolution number 18 or resolution expressing the sense of the Senate strongly urging the Philippine government to advocate before the International Criminal Court for the interim release of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte in a form of house arrest arrangement in a residence in The Hague, the Netherlands. Hindi naman siguro kalabisan ang hiling na yan. Sa tingin ko ay hindi naman sobra, lalo na't magpapasko na. I therefore urge this august body for proposed Senate Resolution number 18 to finally be included in our agenda. I am asking this not just as a senator, but as a Filipino who believes that one of the best, most patriotic among us who ever lived does not deserve to spend his remaining years in a foreign prison that does not even speak his language, much less feel like home. In the end, perhaps, this is the least that we can do.